Hello everyone. Today I will be showing you one demo where we will be able to extract PDF data into an Excel. Okay, so for this scenario, I will be considering three files. One is PDF digital copy, one is PDF scan copy, and one is image file. So let me quickly open this particular digital copy. So what I meant by digital copy is like you will be able to edit the PDFs. Like you can all the elements are like clickable and you can just copy paste into whatever you want. These are called digital copies. So let me close this and let me show you what is scan, what I meant by scan copy. Scan copies are like the image, well, it's in the image format. You won't be able to extract data by using a normal copy paste. Okay, and also we have one small image, so where you'll be extracting data from this PNG file. Okay, so this is the tool which I created actually for a demo purpose. So here you have to just browse the path. First let's click on this digital copy and just click on PDF to data from PDF. So it's all the data from this particular PDF file will be extracted and will be placed in data from PDF sheet. So as you see here, so all the data is being pulled and it's being placed here. Okay, let's go to the second file, which is scanned copies. And if I click on PDF to data from PDF, again here one thing to note here is that your scan copy must be made clear. So I mean, once you perform this action, so you may have to do one more macro to get what exactly you want. Is it like the names, or is it like some kind of departments or skill sets or whatever? Okay, so this is just an introduction, and also let's uh, click and let's quickly test what about image files, how it will come. If I click on this again, extract data for image file, what I have used is I have converting image into PDF, and from PDF I'm converting extracting data. Okay, so if you see over here, so you also get here actually the, let me just yeah, so you get all the student IDs, then last names, initials, and so on. So and from you can apply a macro to this particular functionality, and then you can get the exact data which you require. Okay, thank you everyone.